everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Assetto Corsa Rally not launching or crashing on PC. If the game won't open, crashes instantly, or gets stuck loading, these solutions will help you get it running again. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open Steam. Go to your library and find Assetto Corsa Rally. Right-click the game and select Properties. Go to Installed Files. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan for missing or corrupted files and repair them automatically. Wait for the process to finish, then try launching the game again. Solution 2. If Assetto Corsa Rally still won't launch, follow these steps. Right-click Assetto Corsa Rally. Click on Properties. Go to Installed Files, then click Browse Local Files. Open the ACR folder, open Binaries. Open Win64. Find acr.exe, right-click it, and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab and enable. Run this program as administrator. Disable full screen optimizations. Click Apply, then OK. Now launch the game again. Solution 3. Open your Start menu and type Device Manager. Open it. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card and choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. Windows will look for the latest driver and install it. Wait for the update to complete. Solution 4. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, updating through the NVIDIA app is very important. Open the Start menu and type NVIDIA app. Open it. Click on the Drivers tab. Select Check for updates. If there's a new driver available, download and install it. Restart your PC afterward. Solution 5. Many games, including Assetto Corsa Rally, require these packages to run properly. Open the link in the description of this video. Scroll down and download vcredist x86.exe, vcredist x64.exe. Now open your Downloads folder. Install vcredist x64. Double-click it. Accept the terms. Press Yes. Wait for it to install. Press Close. Do not restart yet. Install vcredist x86. Double-click it. Accept the terms. Press Yes. Wait for installation. Now restart your PC to apply the changes. After rebooting, launch Assetto Corsa Rally. It should open without crashing. And that's it. You now know 5 effective fixes to solve Assetto Corsa Rally not launching or crashing on PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment if you need help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.